I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open the app, sign in or tap join and enter the meeting ID and passcode. Make sure you allowed camera and mic access so Zoom can transmit video and audio. Once done, select the proper camera, front or rear, and microphone input. If your battery is low, plug the phone into power to avoid shutdown mid-meeting. Also connect to stable Wi-Fi or prioritize a fast cellular connection so your video doesn't stutter. You now optimize audio and video. Join with audio and choose speaker or Bluetooth headset, then test sound using test speaker and microphone to confirm others hear you. Next, open settings or more to enable Touch Up My Appearance or a virtual background. These improve presence and hide clutter. Make sure to mute when not speaking to reduce noise, and lock orientation so the view stays steady. If needed, switch cameras quickly for demonstrations or show physical items. You finish by sharing and managing. Tap Share and choose Screen, a specific app, or whiteboard to present. Enable Share Sound if you need to play audio. Use participants in chat to oversee questions, mute others, or spotlight a presenter if you're the host. If something goes wrong, try these fixes. Toggle camera/microphone permissions, force close and reopen the app, switch to another network, or join audio by phone call. These steps resolve most connection or permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.